In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to address that dreaded "we noticed unusual activity on your Google account" message and get back into your account swiftly and smoothly. We all rely heavily on our Google accounts for everything from emails to crucial shared documents, so it's important to know how to manage this situation effectively when it arises. First, open your preferred web browser. If you're feeling lucky, your browser might even be open already, but if it's not, don't worry, just go ahead and launch it. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top. Here, type in support.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to Google's support page, which is a treasure trove of helpful resources and guidance. Once you're on the Google support page, you'll see various options available. Look for and click on the Google Account option. This will direct you to another page filled with account-related support topics, which is exactly where you want to be. Now we're going to dive into the community support section, which is right up there in terms of being indispensable when you're dealing with account issues. Click on Post to the Help community. This community is a great resource because it allows you to tap into the collective knowledge and experiences of other Google users and experts. After clicking through, the next step is to post your specific question. You'll start by clicking on Post a Question. Once there, you'll see a form with a few fields to fill out. In the first field, write down a brief appeal or request regarding your account issue. Keep it concise but clear. In the second field, it's time to share more detail about your restoration request. Explain the situation thoroughly so that anyone reading has a good understanding of what's going on. Next, you'll notice a category selector. Pick Account Access and Recovery, as this is the most relevant to your situation. When you've done that, click Next. Depending on the options you see, click Account Recovery if it's available. If it's not, select Other, and proceed by clicking Next Step. For the next step, you'll need to select your platform. Choose whether you're using Android, iOS, or the web, whichever applies to you. And then, yes, you guessed it, click Next Step again. Don't forget to check the box for Get Emails when someone responds to ensure you're notified promptly when there's activity on your post. Once all these sections are complete, click Post. This submits your request to the Google Community Support, where a member of the community or Google's team will review and hopefully respond to your request. And now we wait. Keep an eye on your email and the support forums for a response. Google support or community members should reach out to provide assistance or resolve your issue. There it is. With these steps, you should be on your way to reclaiming access to your Google account while ensuring your digital life remains seamless and uninterrupted.